Medusa Easy Staking Protocol, MESP, is a form of creating value for your token and retaining investors. Here, in Medusa Protocol, we do not have the access to the funds or tokens. Everything is done through code, and we cannot modify these central aspects, except for the price. MESP is secure and fast. Now, we will walk you through a simple tutorial to set up your first staking pool with MESP without code. To begin with, access medusaprotocol.com, click on the Staking Factory button, and then create a pool. Add the contract address of your token. Define which and how many tokens you want to offer as a reward for your holders for staking your token. Choose how long you want your pool to be available, meaning how long it will take for all the tokens to be rewarded to your holders. Choose if you want to set minimum and maximum stakes for each wallet, and select if you want to add any locking feature to your pool. Upload your logo. Fill in with any additional information for your investors to get to know your project. Add a coupon code, which you can get at our Telegram at Medusa Protocol. Reveal the process and pay to conclude. Your pool will be ready in less than 2 minutes. Then, after creating the pool, you are redirected to the staking list page, where you can see the pool you've created. In addition to that, you can copy the embed code and the link to share your project. Easy and fast. This is how we create a pool with the Medusa Easy Staking Protocol.